What's up, guys? It's the FixBroz. Today we're back at the shop, but wait, don't we have no project? Aren't we selling the Civic? Well, today we got the new project car, and it's red. It's 2015, and it's a hatchback. Take your guesses in the comment section below. I'm standing right in front of it right now. So, okay guys, you took your guesses. Now let's go and do the reveal of the new project. It's a 2015 Honda Fit, and it's crashed in the front. We did bend back the hood so it doesn't look as bad. It took a pretty hard hit. It actually hit the engine and it broke one of the engine mounts, and we're probably gonna be welding that in. We don't even know yet. And then lots of the plastic is broken. As you can see, there's lots of crushed metal in here. The radiator is bad. We can't turn it on for long because the radiator is bad. So the bumper is toast, radiator is toast. Core support, where's the core support? I don't see it. Is it this clunker back here? So this is the worst thing which happens to an auction car. We hate this. So come here, check this out. They hit these doors with the wheel of the forklift. This is terrible. This was not in the photos of the auction, so yeah, we're gonna have to sand these down, fix them, and put body filler over them and repaint them, which is gonna be at least an extra 50 bucks for paint. I don't like how Copart doesn't care about your car's dents. This will have to be repainted. Then going over to the other side, this is probably not them, but there's still a dent here. This could be from the forklift when they're lifting it up. So yeah, Copart, be more careful with the cars that you're handling. So coming inside, let's look what they have here. The owners leave off some things. So here we have an Apple charging cord, I think. And this is earbuds from Apple. So then it comes to this disgusting smelling nasty stuff, you know, which girls like to put in their cars. Oh, this is pretty good. This is probably garbage. The license plate frame, and then comes with these two license plate frames. So let's go inside of here. We have little trees, black ice, and we have these pencils, which I'm actually going to be using. So that's pretty cool. And then we have some drugs here. Just kidding, this is eye drops. And I think these people had a cat or a dog. We have some change. And yeah, it came with this steering wheel cover, which is good because we don't have to touch their disgusting, dirty hands. So then we have an Apple screen, which is trash. We don't need that. And it also comes with an engine start button, which is pretty cool because we have never had a car with the button start. The dashboard feels pretty nice. Also, what's pretty cool is that they put these crappy $5 mats in here to protect the original ones. So going in the back here, what do we have here? Some panel, let's see, wrapping paper. This looks to me like it was a college student. Some more of these dollar store rugs, plastic ones. Oh, let's see what we got here. Something new. Okay, Firestone. Let's see. Tires. Dude, they spent $644 in tires on March 24th, 2018. So they put brand new tires 2 months ago, and look at them. They're like new. They're practically brand new. So that saves us $644 on tires, which is really good if the tires were bad when they changed them. So that's basically it. Also, there's storage here, and there's usually nothing in here, just a spare tire. Now going inside, here's the key. It's not a key, it's just a TV controller or something. This is what they make for cars now. Here we go, let's start it up. We can't start it for long because the radiator is not working and we can overheat the engine, so. Oh, forgot, I need to press the brake. And then, come on, start. And there we go, started. We can't start it for long, so here we go. So press this button. We got the mirror view camera. And then I can't turn on the other ones or else we'll back out somewhere into there and then fall off this trailer. So yeah, there we go. Start up. Can't run this for long, so let's turn it off. So here we go. Press the brake, go in the rear mode. Now what we get is the camera. And then we can switch to different angles. So yeah. As you can see, that chicken walking behind there. So this is basically it of the car. So now we can start this project, and this will be hopefully a good one.
Okay, so we got the car all doctored up. We fixed the hood up, we put a headlight in. Now let's bring it back to Copart and sell it. Just kidding, we're not gonna do that. If you do that, you're so lame. Okay, so now let's get the car off the trailer, down on the ground. Get all that white smoke.
So we just started taking apart, took off the hood, just the hood and the headlights. Basically, we're gonna take it apart and look at the extent of the damage. We took off the bumper, the hood, some of the parts in here, and check this out. This frame rail is bent. And let's look at this one. Same here, but this is not a big problem for us because we got a homemade frame puller that my dad made 25 years ago. I don't even know where it is, but whatever. We have a frame puller. So we're probably gonna use that to pull that out, and then we might be able to save this crash bar.
So we got the whole front end taken apart. We took the bumper off, the bumper reinforcement, the radiator, the fans. We took everything off, and I took the fender liner off on this side. Paul's gonna do it on that side, and also Paul took out the airbag on the inside.
We just figured out that this car was crashed in the front before. Might not have been in a crash, but in a minor accident. So, as you can see, we straightened out the hood here. There's body filler. Threw a layer of body filler on here. So yeah, that's how we figured out, and it was repainted. So it doesn't really matter. It didn't really affect the damage that was here, and we're anyways gonna repaint this.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to drop a like. If you're not a subscriber, press that subscribe button right over here, and we'll see you guys next time.